Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Keralakam CBSE School Mudul online classes. In previous class we discussed some of the examples related to using commas with the help of this Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. And with that again we compared numbers, which is the greatest number, which is the lowest number, and we have written numbers in ascending order and descending order. So based on these concepts only, today we will try to solve some of the problems from exercise 1.1. So in exercise 1.1 I will solve some one or two problems in each main question. So you can complete exercise 1.1 very easily. So here in exercise 1.1, first question, that is fill in the blanks. First question is fill in the blanks. First question A, 1 lakh equals to 1 lakh. 1 lakh equals to dash 10,000. So here we have to answer that 1 lakh equals to how many 10,000s? Okay. Next, after this, in second question, 1 million. 1 million equals to dash 100,000. 100,000. Next, 1 crore. 1 crore equals to dash 10 lakh. Dash 10 lakh means just you have to mention how many 10 lakhs for 1 crore. Okay. Next question, that is again 1 crore only. 1 crore equals to dash millions. How many millions for 1 crore? We have to write that. Next, last one, that is 1 million equals to 1 million equals to dash lakh. For 1 million, how many lakhs are there? We have to write. So now in 1 lakh, how many 10 lakhs are there means? Sorry, how many 10,000s? This is 10,000s. In 1 lakh, how many 10,000s are there means? 10,000s are there. Okay? 10 into 10 means 100 you will get. So 100,000s means you will get 1 lakh. 100,000s means 1 lakh. And here already they have given 10,000s. How many 10,000s means? 10,000s. So if you multiply 10 into 10, 100. So 100,000 means 1 lakh. If you can't understand, just directly remember that 10,000s means you get 1 lakh. Remember this. And for 1 lakh, how many thousands? 100,000s. 100,000s means 1 lakh. Okay? So here 10,000s. How many? 10. If you have 10,000s notes, how much? 10 bundles. It will become 1 lakh. Because 10 into 10, 100. So 100,000 means 1 lakh. So first answer is 10. Next, 1 million equals to dash 100,000. How many 100,000s? So here 10 100,000. because 1 million means, you know that already I explained, 10 lakhs. So that 10 100,000 means you will get 10 lakhs. Therefore 1 million means, remember directly, 10 100,000. Next, 1 crore equals to how many 10 lakhs? 1 crore equals to 10 lakhs. Because in 1 crore, how many lakhs will be there? In 1 crore, 100 lakhs will be there. 100 lakhs means 1 crore. Here, how this is 100,000 means 1 lakh, like that only 100 lakhs means 1 crore. Okay? So 100 lakhs means 1 crore means already they have given 10 lakh. How many 10 lakhs we want to become, to get 1 crore? 10 lakhs. 10 into 10, 100. So you get 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs means 1 crore. Therefore, remember that 1 crore equals to 10 lakhs. Okay? Next one. 1 crore equals to how many millions? 1 crore equals to how many millions? So directly we can write it as 10 millions. Because in 1 million how many lakhs are there? Already I told 1 million 10 lakhs. 1 million means 10 lakhs. And in 1 crore how many lakhs are there? 100 lakhs. In 1 crore how many lakhs are there? 100 lakhs are there. Therefore, to get this 100 lakhs, how many 10 lakhs we want? 10 lakhs we want. Means 10 millions we want. Therefore, if you can't understand, just you can simply remember this. 1 crore means 10 million. Okay? Next, 1 million equals to how many lakhs? Means already I told this while explaining international system of numeration. 1 million means 10 lakhs. Okay? Just directly you can remember all these values. For all the values you are getting answer as 10 only. So there is no confusion also. 1 lakh means 10 lakh, 10 thousands. 1 million means 10 100,000s. 1 crore means 10 lakhs. 1 crore means 10 million. 1 million means 10 lakhs. Okay? So here answer is 10. So now let us see second main question. This is first main. We'll see second main question. Just pause the video and write the answer. Okay? Second main question. What they are given here? This is in page number 12. Exercise 1.1 is in page number 12. Second main question. Place commas correctly and write numerals. We have to place commas and write numerals because they have given numbers in words. Okay. So first question what they have given, 73 lakh 75,307. Okay. So write this question from textbook, page number 12, question number 2. They are given exercise 1.1. They are given numbers in words. First we will write the number and we will use commas according to the number, Indian system of numeration. So 73 lakhs they have given. Directly I am writing answer here. So write question from textbook means write the number in words they have given. So 73 lakh means first I will write 73 lakh. Okay. Next 75,000. So after 73, I have to write 75,000. 73 lakh, 75,000. Next, 307. 307 means 3. I will write 307. In tens place there is no value. 307. 307. Okay. So now we will use commas according to Indian system of numeration. How will you use? To indicate thousand and lakhs value. To indicate thousand and lakhs value means here after this hundreds value, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, next that is thousands place. To indicate this thousands place we will use comma. Next, here after thousands place, 10,000s place. Next we have lakhs place. To indicate this lakhs place we will use comma. So 73 lakhs 75,307. This is the answer. Okay. One more problem I will discuss from this section only, second question, so that understand this you can solve other remaining problems of second main question. So here 9 crore 5 lakh 41 they have given 9 crore 5 lakh 41. So how to 41 they have given. How to write this means first 9 crore they have given. I will write 9 crore. Next directly what they have given after 9 crore 5 lakh. So 9 crore 5 lakh means in 10 lakhs position we don't have any value. Okay. Listen this very carefully because we should learn how to use zeros while writing numbers. So they have given here 9 crore 5 lakhs. They have not given 15 lakhs or 25 lakhs. Directly they have given 5 lakhs. Means in 10 lakhs position there is no value. Therefore directly we can put there 0. So 9 crore 5 lakhs. Okay. So I have written 5 lakh. Next after this 75,000. So in 10,000 position we have 7. In thousands position we have 5. 75,000. Sorry. 9 crore 5 lakhs. After this I read some other question. Sorry for that. So 9 crore 5 lakhs. After this we have 41. Directly 41. So there is no value in 1000 or 10,000 position. Read that carefully. Question number B, second main question. 9 crore 5 lakhs means in 10 lakhs position there is no value. So 9 crore 5 lakhs 41 directly they have given. Means in 10,000 position we don't have any value. In thousands position we don't have any value. And in hundreds position they have not given any value. Therefore I will use another 0. And they have given 41. Means in tens position we have 4 and in ones position we have 1. Okay. So now we will start using comma to indicate thousand and lakh and crore values. So here ones position, tens position, hundreds position I will use comma. Next this is thousands position. Here 1000, 10,000 position. Here we have lakhs position, so we will use comma here. Next after this lakh, 10 lakh we have crore, so we will use comma. To indicate crore, lakh, thousand positions we use commas in Indian system of numeration. Therefore 9 crore 5 lakhs 41 this is. You can see after 9 crore directly they have given 5 lakhs. Therefore in 10 lakhs position I have written 0. 9 crore 5 lakhs. And directly after 5 lakhs what they have given? 5 lakhs 41 only. Means in 10,000 position, thousands position, hundreds position they are not given any value. Means we can put 0 there. We have to put 0. Next finally 41. This is how to write the numbers by reading the numbers given in words, and after that you have to put the commas according to Indian system of numeration. Okay, like this only. Still 3 more questions are there. Solve those questions. If you have doubt, just contact me and I will try to make video, or I will try some other way to make you understand. Okay, so now I will move to the next question. So here they have given insert commas suitably by and write the names according to the Indian system of numeration. Just reverse process of the second question. Here what they given in second question just now we solved. There they have given numbers in words and we have written numbers and we inserted commas according to Indian system of numeration. But they have given number now. Already they have given number and but they have not given commas. So according to Indian system of numeration, we have to put commas and then we have to write the numbers in words. Okay. So let us see third main question. Third question number A. So what is the number they have given means 875 957 62. 875 957 62. Next question number B. One more question I will solve from this third main question. So next one 854 628 3. 854 628 3. So now we will see how to use commas for these given numbers and how to write these numbers in words. Okay, and I already told so many times how to use commas means in Indian system of numeration we will use comma to indicate thousand, lakh and crore. So here this is ones position, tens position, hundreds position, next thousand. So indicate this thousands position we will use comma here. Next 1000, 10,000, next we have lakh. So indicate lakhs position we will use comma. Next lakh, 10 lakh, crore. To indicate this crore position we will use comma. Okay. So we have values up to crore value. Okay. How to read this means 8 crore. This is in position of 8 crore. 75 lakhs. 75 lakhs. 95,762. This is how to read. Listen carefully. I will read it again. If possible, try to read with me again. 8 crore, 75 lakhs, 95,762. Okay. So now I will write this 8 crore. You have to write this in words. So 8 crore 75,000 90. Sorry, this is 75 lakhs. After crore position, what we have? Lakh. 10 lakh and lakh. Therefore, 75 lakhs. 75 lakh. After lakh, we have 10,000 and 1,000. 95,000. This is 95,000. 95,000. 7 is in hundreds position. So 700 and 62. 762. You have to write like this. Okay? Like this only. We'll see next question. Here again after ones position, tens position, hundreds position, we have thousands position. We will use comma here. 1,000, 10,000, lakh here. So to indicate lakh also we will use comma. So lakh, 10 lakh. We have values up to 10 lakhs position. There is no crore position. Okay. So how to read this means 85 lakhs. 46,283. Okay. You have to write this in words like this only. Listen again. 85 lakhs 46,283. This is how to read and write in words. And again 2 more numbers are there. Again just you have to insert commas like this and write in words. This is about third question. Okay. Just pause this video and write the answer and solve remaining 2 questions. Now fourth one. Here in fourth question they have given, again we have to insert commas suitably and write the names according to the international system of numeration. Just we have to write the names according to international system of numeration. Okay, so in fourth main, question number 8. So first we will write the number 789 210 92 789 21092. Next 745 2283 745 2283. So now we will use commas according to international system of numeration here. Okay, so how to use here? First, after 3 digits we will use hundreds value, it will indicate. After that, thousands value, it will indicate. Again after 3 digits we will use comma. In international system of numeration, always we will use commas after 3 digits. Okay, and here you can see first 3 digits indicates hundreds value, next 3 digits indicates thousands value, and next 3 digits indicates millions value. Okay, so now how to read this? Here this is million value, 78 million. 78 directly you can read, just you have to read extra, that is million. 78,921,092. Okay, so I will write this 78 million 921,000, because this second numbers, these indicates thousands position. 921,000. In hundreds position what we have? Just 92. So we will write 921,092. Okay, like this only. Here for next example also we will use commas. After first 3 digits I will put comma, and again after 3 digits I will put comma. So now you can see 7 million. Here this is in thousands position, this is in millions position. 7,452,000. 7,452,283. This is how to write. Like this only. Write this in words and solve remaining 2 problems in this question, fourth one. Okay, with this your exercise 1.1 is completed. Okay, so today completely solve this exercise 1.1. In next class I will continue with concepts related to exercise 1.2. Okay, thank you all.